back, see the deer hanging between its legs.
Oh, it's big. You should see his freaking spurs. Today's the first day. It's 19th here in Florida, and started out in a spot that I had birds going a few years back. Got back there and it must have just got burned last year. Didn't hear a gobble there this morning. We really figured we would hear one, so we went boogied around and tried another spot here, and it's just been a slow morning. Kind of overcast, foggy. Game lands down here is a grind. We're gonna hunt game lands 2 days and then head back, and I'm gonna hunt some private, so stick with us. Well, I just got back in here where it's an evening hunt. I just got back in here where I killed a bird and my buddy killed a bird last year. And I already hear some hens in here yelping. They're closed too, so I'm trying to figure out. There they're yelping. I'm trying to figure out which way I should go about this to get in there, because I gotta go that way. That's where they like to roost. So I don't want to bust anything out, but we'll see what we get into. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, baby. That's an Osceola. I'm so pumped. Yes. Yes, baby. Osceola down, boys. Holy cow. Turkeys don't even know what to do. Oh, guys. Ended up getting it done. Well, ended up getting it done this evening. It's the third day of the Florida season, and thankfully you can hunt them in the evening here. Slipped into where me and my buddy killed birds last year here, and when I was getting in here this evening, I was just mainly looking to hear a gobble or see where they're roosting, but when I was getting in here, I spooked a real nice bird, a real big one, and I was hoping it wasn't game over. There's still turkeys flying out of the trees. They came in here and roosted all around me. I really couldn't move much, but man, that was amazing. Watched them out in the field work, and then he came right in here. I called him in, the hens started getting all worked up. Came right in. So I'm gonna get him back to the plate, back to the house, and I'll show you some more some views of the spurs and the beard. Can't really see him here in the dark, but he's only a 2-year-old, but I'm not picky down here. That's beautiful. He looked good coming in. I got some good film of him. I'm excited. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys once I get out of here. Maybe see the spurs a little bit there. I'm happy. That was awesome. Couldn't be more excited to kick off the 2022 season here in Florida and tag out. This is the second Osceola I've killed. Last year I completed the slam. Got an Osceola Rio last year to complete it. I already had the Merriam and plenty of Easterns, so this is awesome.